NASDAQ this week has risen in value. The price has opened the week with a gap. We can see that here on the daily time frame, and after that the price continued to rise in value. Almost all candles were bullish this week except this one, a small indecision candle on a Tuesday, which was a holiday in the US, so there was no trading activity. After that, on a Friday, the price continued to rise in value, and we can see the price has formed a bullish break at about 25,290.81, which means a strong bullish momentum has entered into market, and it is currently pushing the price up. So I'm expecting that the price will continue to rise in value in the next week, reaching again this area of resistance, which is around 26,000, which is a round number. On the daily time frame, we can see that the price formed a bullish break above this one. So the next is around this area, 25,986, which is very close to 26,000. So this is the target for now, especially this one here. This is the first target that the price will need to make a bullish breakout, reach this area, and go up in order to reach 26,000. So this is the first resistance I'm expecting that the price will reach for the next week. I am still inclined to see the price reaching higher price levels, not going further down. So I'm still bullish oriented on NASDAQ and expecting the price to go up. For now, that's all for this week. See you next time and happy trading.
That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.